Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add LiveSplit to OBS. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. Step 1. Launch LiveSplit and OBS on your computer. And now click on this plus icon and select window capture. And here make sure to select create new selected and name it LiveSplit and click on OK and click on window and make sure to select here LiveSplit and click on OK. And that's how we can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.